following programs allowed clients to remain at home and maintain some degree of independence while being cared for by our volunteers. In our home-delivered meals program, with the assistance of 51 volunteer drivers, Laguna Shanti is the only agency in Orange County providing fresh, daily, home-delivered meals to people with HIV and AIDS. And in 1994, just to give you an example of numbers, over 8,000 meals were delivered to over 55 clients in their homes. Our medical transportation program is also a very popular program. Last year we had over 45 volunteer drivers giving round-trip rides to the tune of 406 rides to clients to and from medical appointments, assuring that their timely access to health care and treatment was very obvious. Our buddy and companion services are services in which we train volunteers to work with the clients who desire ongoing one-on-one emotional support. And in 1994, over 25 volunteers gave 1,000 hours of service to that program. Along with some of our other programs we provide in-home haircuts, well, we did in 1994, and house cleaning, as well as home visitation program and our hospital visitation program. But one of our most successful programs last year and for many, many years, and certainly this year, is our massage program. During the past year, over 7 trained massage therapists gave clients the gift of touch, healing through massage, and we provided over 226 massages in-home free of charge to our clients. Our second major program is our emotional support program. An HIV and AIDS diagnosis can seriously impact a person's emotional well-being long before any clinical signs of the virus have surfaced. Isolation can be one of the most devastating aspects of the disease. And in response to that, Laguna Shanti seeks to be a safe haven for clients, a place where people with HIV can turn for emotional support and encouragement. Last year, Laguna Shanti support groups reached over 800 people with HIV and AIDS, their families, their partners, and their loved ones. So strong are the emotional bonds and camaraderie that are established in the Laguna Shanti support groups that the groups have become the client surrogate families. It is not uncommon for people in their final hours to have their group members, their group facilitators who are volunteers at their side along with their families, and many of them alone. We have 13 mental health professionals, including mental health practitioners. We have 3 student interns, and we have artists that donate over 1,000 hours annually facilitating the various groups. I'll just go briefly through some of the groups just to give you a taste of the wide variety of groups that we have. We have, most of our groups are weekly, and we have an HIV open support group, which is a real peer support group. People can come in at any time and just support one another. We have therapy and psychotherapy groups that meet to deal with the real intense psychosocial needs and issues that develop as part of this disease. We have a Shanti Women's Group that is made up of women with HIV and other life-threatening illnesses, and that has become an arena for women to share their experiences and support one another. We also have a unique group called our Straighten Out group, which is a co-ed heterosexual group, and it is also an open support group for people to come and really feel safe within the HIV spectrum at our agency. Some of our alternative groups are our Healing Circle, which is attitudinal healing, and our guided imagery and visualization. And these are really 2 groups that enable people to really get out of the therapeutic mode, but learn how to help themselves by really becoming very aware of who they are and what their needs are, and really trying to attend to some of their own emotional needs through these varying alternative therapies. We also have a family and friends group, and we are finding that it is increasingly more important for people to be able to send their partners and their loved ones to a support group in which they can talk about the issues that really are facing them. Our newest addition to our emotional support group, which we're very excited about, is our individual counseling program. We began it last September, and Laguna Shanti since then has been approved as a clinical practicum site for students from Pepperdine University and the California Schools of Professional Psychology in San Diego and Los Angeles. So under the supervision of our mental health coordinator, who is on part-time, we have interns and volunteer therapists who have to date already provided 80 clients with psychological evaluations and 22 clients with a maximum of 10 individual counseling sessions. And these clients we are certainly expecting that this year this program will double in size because there's such a great need for this. There are other programs at Laguna Shanti that provide people living with HIV an opportunity to educate and empower themselves. And one such program is our Speakers Bureau, where clients are invited to and encouraged to speak at local high schools, colleges, and businesses, sharing their life experiences while providing an arena for questions and answers, and just for people to connect a person with this disease. We also have a monthly HIV Open Forum, which is an informational evening where we invite local health professionals to speak to our clients, to our friends, to our volunteers, and to our community on health-related issues, to provide an arena for people just to expand their knowledge and get some of their questions answered and some of their concerns alleviated about this illness. We also have a Laguna Shanti library in which we provide a wide array of health-related books, tapes, audios, and these are available for anybody to come in at any time and check out. So, as you can see, for a very small agency with a very big heart, we have a tremendous amount of activity and service, all free of charge, to the Orange County HIV community. I welcome all of your questions and answers and encourage all of you to stop by our Laguna Shanti display table at the top of the escalator. I know that many of you have come from far and wide, and I know that in your communities there are HIV and AIDS social service agencies. I encourage all of you to get involved as a volunteer. I know that all of you here are volunteers, but it's a very, very enriching experience for many people, and with every life that touches you, you touch a life, so it's really a very significant thing. At this time, I'd really like to thank and commend the committee for the Orange County Committee of Carousels and Caverns for inviting Laguna Shanti to be the recipient of the funds from the celebrity auction. We are very excited. We're very excited to be a part of this convention and to be so welcomed by the board and everybody that we've met so far. So on behalf of the board of directors, the staff, volunteers, and clients, I'd like to congratulate the committee on a fabulous convention and hope all of you enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
We'd like you to know some people that you can get in touch with if you need help in any area. Our dealer's room, we'd like you to see Cecilia Pitts. For our art room, it's Becky Eisenhoff.
For the art show, we need everyone to go up and vote for the, without her, many of you would not be here today, especially if she forgot to send you your travel arrangements. Miss Robin Schindler.
Good morning. It's really nice to look out and see all of this friendly faces, new and old friends. I'd like to thank everybody with a distant shore for using Ladera Travel. If you didn't know, Ladera Travel is the only agency.
We still have a few seats available for the add-on day, the bus tour with the catered picnic.